We would greatly appreciate your support for the channel by please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you. What happens when creativity turns familiar materials into real power? This video reveals a simple DIY idea filled with surprising potential. An electric tricycle created to serve real-world working needs. Not an industrial product, but the result of creative thinking. Every detail is hand-assembled with precision and practical experience. The vehicle is designed to carry heavy loads with steady performance. A solid frame provides safety and confidence during operation. A powerful electric motor delivers smooth and efficient movement. The three-wheel design improves balance across different terrains. This solution fits perfectly for everyday cargo transportation. No complex machinery needed, just the right idea and determination. This project proves DIY still holds strong practical value. Each assembly step reflects skill, care, and creativity. The vehicle runs reliably while significantly reducing costs. A smart solution for tasks that require real carrying power. The blend of mechanics and electricity creates impressive performance. A simple idea delivering results beyond expectations. This video is for those who love creativity and hands-on innovation. From initial concept to a convincing finished product, a powerful, practical DIY project that inspires creativity. Thank you for watching the entire video. Please leave a comment. This is just a creative idea based on personal preference. We would greatly appreciate your support for the channel by please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you.